Welcome to our channel. Today we have set the range of P&F transmitter. Let's start. We need this programming cable for setting the range of the transmitter. We connecting this cable to our laptop. Let's open the software. You can download the software from this link. Go down, click on software. You need to download this. This is the driver of the cable, and this is the software for our transmitter. I'm already download. Extract it and double click here, then run the setup. This is the driver. Double click here, then select first and 3 number, then click on install. I'm already done this, so I skip it. This is 5.0, then click yes, click OK. I'm already installed. Now right click on host PC, add device, select this cable, then look, the cable is coming. This is the cable driver. Right click here, click on connect, then right click here, load, right click here and add new device. This is the COM port setting. Now add device, select the model, this is our model. This is our model. Click here, press OK, right click here, connect it, right click here, load from device. We need to upload the program of the transmitter. This is for download to device. Right click here, load from device. Just wait for few seconds. This is completed now. Then right click, double click here. Look, the model number is showing and current range, my minimum range is -200 and maximum is 850. You can set the tag number as you want. Also set the 2 or 3 wire RTD. I'm changing the range -50 to 200 for our requirement. Then right click here and store to device. Then download this. Then it's completed. Then close it. Again upload the program for checking the data is right on the transmitter or not. Look, the data is right on the transmitter. Our range setting is done. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.